What is going on, everybody? It is good to be back, man. So in today's video, I want to give you guys what I think to be the most bullish meme coin of 2024 and beginning of 2025, right? And I'm more so want to come from the place of price action and chart analysis wise. We're going to be talking about a specific project called Tsuki, which I've been talking about pretty much. That's all I really talk about. But I'm also wanted to make this video geared towards those people that are more in tune with that more buy projects, not based on meme, not based on hype or utility, but they more so buy into a project based on the chart, right? Because if you're into TA, if you know much about charting and that, you know that every chart paints a picture, every chart tells a story. And not to sound a little corny, but it's the truth, right? And so day traders, that's what they do. They look at the price action, they look at the charts, and so on. And at the same time, even if someone wants to just trade the chart, people are going to come into the Telegram. They're going to be like, wow, this chart's pretty crazy, what's going on here? And then people can convert into believers and become convicted into the project that way as well. But this isn't $1 billion project. It's not $100 million, tens of $1 million project. Tsuki is sitting at sub 2 mil. But what I find so fascinating about it is the fact that it's sitting at sub 2 mil, roughly 1.9 right now, but it has painted such a perfect picture for the past 5 months and 7 days. So the fact that it's created this chart here, all these highs and lows, the lows keep increasing over time, over 5 months, is quite incredible. And like I said, it tells a story. It tells you what's going on. It tells you about the community, whether these people actually are diamond handers, right? So this is what I love about this community. What I love about this project is that majority of people in here are believers. Majority of people are holding, and over the past 5 months, all these convicted individuals are continuing to increase their bags. $20 DCA a day, things like that. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. No, we're gonna get into it. Also, once again, this ain't nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Everything I say, I make it clear in my description, in the summary of my profile as well. Nothing is financial advice. Never will I give financial advice. These are just my own thoughts, opinions, and so on, right? But let's get straight into it. So if you don't know much about TA, all you do, I'm just gonna show you right here, right off the bat. If you look at charts much, and if you know any sort of patterns, you can see that this right off the bat is forming pretty much a symmetrical triangle, right? So we'll do this right here. Okay, so that is one line right there. That's going to be our support, because you can see that it's come down to here, bounced off, come down, dipped a bit lower, but still bounced, came down again, and then it bounced likewise multiple times. Now here's the thing, a lot of people are going to put lines on a graph, right, with just 2 points, 2 touches on a certain line. It doesn't work like that. You need at least 3 touches on a line or more for the line to be valid. So for this support line here to be valid, you need at least 3 touches or more. 2 touches doesn't make it valid. You need more than that, right? So that, I'm going to say, that's going to be the support right there. So I've actually charted this already, but I wanted to give it a clean slate just to show you guys in live action. All right, so now we're going to go to do the resistance. We got 1, almost touched it again, can almost count it, almost, but we got 2, 3, 4 right there. So what happens is, as soon as it touched the support down here, it's bounced. Every single time it's bounced. Boom, 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 bounce. And then when it touches resistance, rejection, rejection, another rejection, rejection, rejection. And then, so yeah, it's constantly going up and down in like a zigzag sort of motion, right? And this pattern right here is called a symmetrical triangle. And it is one of the most bullish patterns when it comes to technical analysis, whether you're trading crypto, stocks, whatever, right? So it's pretty incredible that a 5-month-old meme coin I say, with that is sitting at sub 2 mil has formed such incredible price action. It's something that you don't see at all, even for projects in tens, hundreds of millions, you don't see them form this kind of price action because there's just so much manipulation, so much supply held by bigger individuals that'll just dump charts and things like that. But you can see this is healthy, right? Slowly increasing means that the holders are slowly increasing, or that the people that are convicted in this project continue to just buy more and more and more and more, right? Does that make sense? So that's what we got for on the daily chart, right? So this is a long-term vision, right? And so breakout, well, the apex of the triangle is kind of coming towards around the 15th, 16th of November. But this is what happens, right? In a symmetrical triangle, the breakout usually occurs from 70 to 90% of the apex. So I think it's safe to assume that we are sitting above that 70% range. Yeah, sitting above that. So this is probably like halfway, right? And 3/4 way, probably like 75 around here, whatever. So we're probably sitting in that range right now. Yeah, so from 70 to 90%, that's usually when a breakout occurs. What I'm expecting to see is a breakout, maybe some sort of retest, and then some crazy bullish price action, right? But this is, now what happens is when you have something that's been forming a pattern for this long, right? Usually when it does break out, the longer that the pattern's been forming, the bigger essentially the breakouts are going to be when it does decide to break out. So that's what we got on the daily. Now I want to go closer to where we are at right now. There's just other smaller bits and pieces that I want to show you guys, like other forms of price action that have, like, patterns that have formed as well, just to show you how this coin actually really trades. Although it's a meme coin and it's only 2 mil at a 2 mil market cap, it trades just like your everyday stock, like gold or euro, USD, whatever, which is incredible, right? So this is what we got here. I'm going to change the color for this. Let's change it yellow. All right, right here, man, right off the bat, easy. So this one here is called a fallen wedge, or some people interchangeably say a fallen wedge or a bullish flag. This is a wedge, right? So look, we got multiple touches. This is confirmed. These are valid points, valid support and resistances, because look, we got 1, pretty much 2, 3, 4. We got roughly 5. And then look at these, 1, 2, and then look, they touched it here as well. These candles formed on the line, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is valid. This is a valid falling wedge. And with a falling wedge, it's a bullish pattern as well. So we formed this pattern, and then boom, we had a fat juicy ass candle break out of that wedge. Bye wedgie. And then we went and tested. Sorry, this is still the daily. Let me break it down to the 4 hour. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful, bro. For real. Look at that. Touch here, touch there, touch there, touch there. This is the crazy thing, bro. Once again, it's a 2 mil market cap coin, but it is trading like it's something that has like 50 mil volume a day. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this. Look at these. So when you have multiple touches on a support or resistance, what it does is it validates that line. It validates that support or resistance. The more touches you have on those lines, the more valid it is, right? So this is very, very valid right here. 100% it is. And then, yeah, like I said, we had that juicy ass break right there. It didn't retest actually, unless if you do kind of move this up a bit, that is also valid. That could be valid as well. So this could count as a retest, because you got 1, almost 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 points there. So this could be the line as well. This could be the, but regardless, it's like give or take. Some people could be off a little bit, like, but you get the idea, right? Pretty much the same thing. So you could say that this was you had a solid break, and it came retested, and then boom, 1, 2, 3 touches on the support, on the resistance, sorry, came back down. However, we didn't really see that touch again. It's gone back up, and it's doing this kind of pattern now, right? So let's try to break this down, see where we're at currently, see what's going on. could say something like that. Yeah, do we have any horizontal lines? Let's have a look. I mean, all right, let's go horizontal ray. Is there anything? I don't know. Let's see if this, I want to see if that can line up with that. Let's see if this can line up with this. Not really. I wouldn't necessarily say that. All right. Not really. Would need more confirmation, to be honest, for that. Yeah, you might say, oh, that touched it, that touched it, that touched that. No, you want touches at different points. So you want to touch here. I kind of count that as one, and then you want another touch, and then another. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure about this one right now. I'm not confident on it just yet. We'll see as the pattern continues to form. But otherwise, we also have, this was kind of like another fallen wedge right here. Yeah, beautiful. This is gorgeous, man. Beautiful. All right, so this is, yeah, another fallen wedge. Let's see on the hourly. Let's break it down a bit more. Yeah, pretty much a fallen wedge right here. Yeah, cool. Yep, so we saw that breakout and we saw that retest right here, and then now it's just doing this kind of whatever's going on here. So not too sure what's happening at the moment. We need to let the pattern play out a little bit. I don't necessarily see much going on just yet, just with where we are at. Let's try to see. I mean, see, you got that, but it's a bit choppy. That's the thing. There's so many. These wicks are pretty wild. I'm not feeling that confident about it, to be honest. So over here, and you can just see basic things like this, like just kind of going up in a trend right there, kind of like that, something like that. You can see, but then that trend kind of broke. You got a big red candle. But now we'll see what's going to happen now. So Tsuki's, we've had a few buys come in. Tsuki's still sitting at 1.8, almost 1.9, definitely almost 1.9. So yeah, we'll just see how it plays out now. We yeah, and we'll just go from there. But as I was saying, a 5-month-old meme coin, sub 2 million market cap. We got 3,000 holders, pretty good distribution, and just Telegram's full of believers, man. People that just keep buying up supply because they know where this thing is headed. And I'm sure that if you're someone who appreciates TEA and price action and that this chart 100% would be very, very interesting to yourself, right? So let's just see how things play out from here. Let's see. See, the thing is, from studying this chart for like the past 5 months, it's always the chart is almost always formed some sort of pattern, right? Whether it's a fallen wedge, bullish, bearish flag, whether it's a symmetrical triangle, so on. So we're just gonna see how it plays out. I haven't really used any form of like straight horizontal resistance or support, to be honest. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We got touch here. Looks like, I mean, it looks like it could be possible that maybe this is a line of support. So maybe, yeah, look, if we look here, we see rejection here. We see a break. We see the wick kind of touch here. Let's break it down a little more. 15-minute. All right. Yeah, touch there. We got a big wick up. As soon as it touched that could also be from this falling wedge line as well. So you got 2 areas of support. This potential straight line, and then obviously the falling wedge. And then over here we have, it's obviously bounced off too. So maybe, just maybe, we could be heading to the upside. We'll see. But yeah, I guess we won't know until it plays out a little more. I always like to see once you can actually like see a pattern forming. But for now, yeah, nothing crazy is going on. However, just yeah, always to go back to that daily. Also, what in the world is this Satan, bro? I swear, I rebuke that. I rebuke that. I hope they get rugged. Nah. For real though, bro. Alright. So on the daily, this could be pretty bullish. So if we actually close above here, so you can see that wick right there. This is the daily. So if it closes above, so what? I think like 11 hours or something from now. If that candle closes with that rejection, that's pretty, I mean, that's pretty good. And then if we can see a bullish candle after that, I mean, yeah, we could probably go back up here, and who knows, we could actually break out. Like, we don't know what's happening, but anyways, in saying that, there's a bullish, very bullish chart, symmetrical triangle. It is just basic TA, bro. And yeah, I mean, the day we break out is just gonna be incredible. It's gonna be so amazing, for real. But yeah, if you guys have any comments, any questions, make sure you leave it down in the comment section. Hit me up on TG, or you know, just jump in the TG, say what's up, and give us your thoughts. But also check out the other videos I have on Tsuki, and I believe that, you know, Tsuki and what it's about, and all the connections, and I believe it is the reason why Tsuki has such a wonderful chart. You know, it's not just any meme coin. And for any seasoned trader, you'd be able to say without a doubt that that there's definitely something going on here, because you don't see this in crypto, yet alone a sub 2 mil market cap coin. So yeah. But in saying that, thanks heaps, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care of yourself. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys around. Peace.